Let's start here. The High Court is hearing closing arguments from the EFF and AfriForum in the hate speech case. The lobby group lodged a complaint in 2020 over the EFF singing Dubuli Bunu or Kill the Boer outside a Free State court. That was during the appearance of a man accused of killing farm manager Brendan Horner. eNCA's Moloko Moloto is following the story and he joins us now live. Moloko, what exactly has been said in closing arguments by both parties?
Well, Masero, so far we only heard from Advocate Mark Oppenheimer, who is representing civil rights organization AfriForum, which is the one that had brought this civil matter to the South Gauteng High Court, essentially to ask for the court to classify the Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer song, which was obviously made famous by the former ANC Youth League President Peter Mokaba and subsequently Julius Malema, now the leader of the EFF. So they want that song classified as hate speech because they believe that it is inciting violence, it is inciting hatred, and essentially it is reversing all the gains in as far as trying to build the nation efforts are concerned. So today we heard from the Advocate Oppenheimer, who says the court should not really be looking at the intention of the person who's singing the song. Rather, it should look at the interpretation that those who are receiving this particular song or the message in the song, what they do with it. Essentially, AfriForum is arguing that the matters in the farms that we are seeing are to some extent extended to this particular song. But let's listen to Advocate Oppenheimer as he was making his arguments.
All right, it seems we actually don't have that snippet that you are talking about, Moloko, but in terms of what's going to happen now, I assume that you're on a short lunch break now. What happens after that? Does the AfriForum continue with its closing arguments, or will we be hearing from the EFF's advocate?
Well, when we return, we expect that the EFF will also take to the podium the lawyers that would be representing the EFF, who will also be arguing on behalf of the EFF, because you would remember that Mr. Malema has been saying that he doesn't sing this song, Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer, anymore, since he was prohibited by the Equality Court sometime in 2011 when Judge Colin Lamont ruled that that song should no longer be sung. And we have seen indeed Mr. Malema avoiding to sing that controversial song. Instead, he happened to replace the Kill the Boer lyrics with Kiss the Boer lyrics, and that obviously is also controversial on the side of the AfriForum. And their lawyer argued today, saying that essentially those who are listening to Malema singing the song will make a link between what he says, as he says, kiss the poor, and the Kill the Boer message. So we are expecting the EFF lawyer, he just walked past me, and the judge has already indicated that he doesn't want really to spend much of the day in this courtroom because he's got other matters. So we expect that obviously the EFF will try to push so that the song does not get to be classified as hate speech, because their argument has always been that this is part of heritage. The song was sung during the struggle days. Surely majority of people who want to sing the song should not be prohibited from doing so, Masera.
And I guess that's why maybe AfriForum is saying the old flag is also part of our heritage and therefore people can display it. But let's leave it there for now. Moloko Moloto in the High Court in Johannesburg with that report.